Hi friends, in this video I will show you how to fix the non-working screen or frozen screen in iPhone 13 series model. First you need to hit the volume up and volume down button continuously one after another. Then first you need to hit volume up and volume down button. Then keep on holding the power button until the device is going to restart. Keep on holding. Here the shutdown logo will appear but the screen is not working. Keep on holding power button until the device is going to restart. The device is shut down. After this the Apple logo will appear. If you want, now you can release your finger. The device is going to reboot. After reboot, the device's screen will work in an normal mode. See, if you want, you can check the screen is working or not. See, previously we are not able to put the password also, but now it is working fine. That's it friends. If this video is helpful for you, please hit me and like, share, subscribe my channel, share my channel and press the bell icon for next upcoming videos. Thank you for watching.